Hello students, in this video I'm going to be explaining you about your instructions that you need to follow for your half yearly examination, as the examination is going to be in both the patterns, the subjective or objective. Okay, and which type you are going to be attempting is clearly mentioned on the date sheet and the syllabus that you have received already. Okay, now I am going to be explaining you the instructions that you need to follow who are attempting objective exam. Okay, that is the MCQ style exam. Okay, now for your objective exam students, the first step that you need to do is yes, your exam link will be uploaded in the video gallery of Excavate School app. So this is your Excavate School app. I'm sure you do it every day, but I just hope this will clarify the doubts if you have still any doubts. Okay, so yes, and then you need to log in. Okay, after the login step, you come to the screen where you have these three lines at the top left hand side corner. Okay, you need to click on this. When you click on this, then the menu opens up. In that, you have to select the option of video gallery. When you select the option of video gallery, again you will have a list of all your assignments that you receive every day. In that, as per the date, you will have your exam being displayed. For example, if it is your Hindi exam, it will be displayed as I have shown you in the circle. This is just an example that I'm explaining, students. So you need to click on this. When you click on this, this is the kind of window that you see. This indicates that the test is being loaded. So please be patient at this step, students. Okay, if this after this step, if it asks you to sign in, then you have to sign in with your email ID or with your parents' email ID. Okay, yes. Now at this step, students, please let the exam load properly. In case if there is any network connection issue, then you have to make sure that the internet connection is very good. Okay, so yes, if the internet connection, once your internet connection is very good, the test will get loaded. Okay, in case if it does not happen in first attempt, don't worry, do not panic, stay very calm. It's okay. Again, what you do is close this window and then go back to the test link. Okay, again open it up, try to open it up again, and I'm sure it will load up this time. Now once it's loaded, you have the test displaying in front of you. This is the main part that you have to listen very carefully. You have to fill in the required details like your name, class, roll number. As you can see on the screen, they have been star marked. The columns, the rows which are marked star, that means it is important and you cannot miss this detail. If you miss, if any of the required information is missing, then the exam will not get submitted. So first and foremost, please write the correct details. Okay, yes. Then once you fill in the details, the next step that you will see is then you will have the instructions. Read the instructions carefully before starting the exam, because the instructions will again have important details which you should not really be missing. Now after you have read the instructions, then you start attempting your test. I have taken a sample test of Hindi. Okay, yes, so you have to make sure that you read all the questions very carefully. Read, yes, do solve question one by one. Read the question carefully. Read the question at least 2 to 3 times. Don't panic, you will have lot of time. Okay, so stay calm and do your test, do your exam properly. Okay, so read the question once or twice. Okay, and then tick the right option. Make sure that you tick the right option. Okay, as we have done in this. Then after you have ticked the right option, then don't be in a hurry to quickly click on the submit button. Okay, click on the submit button only after reviewing your test, as once you submit you cannot change your answers. So don't be in a hurry to click on submit. Okay, go back to again the first question. There are the number of questions is mentioned, how many questions your exam will be having. It is clearly mentioned in your date sheet. Okay, so read the date sheet and the syllabus very carefully. So the number of questions, please go through again, read all your answers properly, make sure that you have checked, you have ticked or selected the correct answer, correct option for each question. Okay, sometimes it might happen that you might get confused and you might click on the wrong answer. So before submit करने से पहले स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज़ आप अपना टेस्ट दोबारा ऊपर जाके क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से अच्छे से पढ़ के अपने आंसर्स डबल चेक कर लो, क्रॉस चेक कर लेना. ओके, ताकि आप कोई गलती ना कर लो. ओके, एंड जब आपने पूरा अपना आंसर, सारे अपने क्वेश्चंस अच्छे से देख लिए हैं कि हाँ सही ऑप्शंस आपने क्लिक कर दी हैं, देन ओनली क्लिक ऑन सबमिट. ओके, सो एट द एंड ऑफ योर एग्ज़ाम, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, द सबमिट बटन इज़ देयर. सबमिट करोगे. नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ यू आस्क अस क्वेरीज कि मैम सबमिट नहीं हो रहा है. So there can be two reasons. Make sure that you have filled the details correctly on the top, the required details. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने आपको सबसे स्टार्टिंग में सबसे फर्स्ट पॉइंट मैंने आपको बताया था कि आपने रिक्वायर्ड डिटेल्स, ये जो स्टार मार्क होते हैं ये इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स होते हैं, इनको अगर आप नहीं भरोगे तो आपका टेस्ट सबमिट नहीं होगा. सारी इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन भरनी ज़रूरी होती है. सो if you have done that, still it is not getting submitted, then yes, it is the problem with the internet connection. Okay, so make sure that the internet connection is good before you submit your test. Okay, and next point is submit your test in the given time, as after that your exam will not be evaluated. The time limit is mentioned in the instructions. Okay, so आपने जो अपना एग्ज़ाम सबमिट करना है वो उस स्पेसिफाइड टाइम में सबमिट करना है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर आपका एग्ज़ाम टाइम है 9 to 11, तो 9 to 11 के 11 o'clock से पहले पहले आपको टेस्ट सबमिट करना होगा. अगर आप वो टाइम लिमिट क्रॉस कर देते हो तब भी सबमिट नहीं होगा. टाइम लिमिट जो भी है आपकी, what timings are going to be for your exam, it is mentioned in the instructions and it is also mentioned in your date sheet. Okay, now yes, so you can see ऐसे instructions में point number 5 आपको दिख रहा है. so इस तरह से this way you will have the time there written over there. point कोई और हो सकता है, point 5 नहीं तो 6, 7, 8 any point, but yes, time is there. Okay, if the exam is not attempted, then no marks will be awarded. In case if you don't attempt the exam, so that is very clear, आपको कोई marks नहीं मिलेंगे. Okay, so the last point, yes, make sure that the network connection is good at a good speed so that the exam loads properly and it also gets submitted properly. Okay, so this is the end of the video students. I hope आपके सारे doubts clear हो चुके हैं. Still if you have doubts, it's that's fine. You can write on your respective class email IDs and we will reply to that. Okay, thank you.